3, 2, 1, crescendo.
This is qualification match number 65 here at the Canadian Pacific Regional. Relatively calm, autonomous start here. All these operations are pre-programmed on these 6 machines. We see Raid 1 come in here with a bit of a new strategy. They're shuffling the notes, scattering them all across the score here in the middle of the field during their autonomous rather than picking any up. Just making it a little bit more difficult for the opposing alliance to come in here and scoop them up. However, system reset, well, they take the trap, I guess. They try to grab one of those notes, and Raid 1 was there, ready to push them out of the way. Now that note appears to be stuck under the system reset machine, and they'll have to fight their way through Robodogs 3D to get a path anywhere. They head back towards the Blue Alliance loading zone. They can't go in there, and particularly not when Raid 1 is trying to scoop up game pieces from their human player. They've got one of them. Note heading across the field now. Blue Alliance has hit their cooperation button. The Red Alliance has not yet. We'll see if they're able to get that going. It's going to depend on that note sitting on the ledge of the amp, falling in the rest of the way. It would provide 1 point of Alliance score and unlock amplifying that speaker or the cooperation bonus, but they've got just a few seconds left to make that happen. Now 2 notes stuck in the amp. A little bit overdriven, you might say. Come back to that one in a little while. Our Blue Alliance has an amplified speaker, and they're starting to make use of it over there. That's the Omnicats out of Los Angeles. That 1452 machine you see there. Last second, I'm not sure if they got the amplification on that last note, but they were definitely trying for it. Back down to the loading bay they go. They had to pass the Red Alliance machine of Team Spider. 2 California teams saying hi to each other along the way. 2 long-tenured California teams. Omnicats in their 19th season here for first crescendo. There's Raid 1 back in midfield next to Robodogs. They're preparing already for our endgame rift to sound. Center stage, arms are up, and they will very, very, very slowly run those motors down and try to lift that robot up onto stage. 3 red robots all trying to do the same. One of the fastest climbs in the West there. Team Spider climbs up, crawls up onto the stage, and the System Reset Alliance partner is thinking about it. I think they're airborne, but we'll let the referees decide that one. 2, possibly 3 robots on stage for Blue. Pretty for review. 42-40, your final score. And that's going to just be 2 rank points for each of those Blue Alliance teams. That one shakes up the leaderboard considerably, but we don't really have time to dig into it. Blair, I